Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video I'll show you the Salesforce table row indexes, how we can decide which rows Form Titan will map the data from Salesforce. So we're going to insert our table. Not this guy, we're going to insert our table and let's just select the account and let's bring in a few fields and let's do type, map to type, and we'll do SLA, bring in our SLA, and now notice this header row index, data row index, and if we'll add a summary row, then we have a summary row index. So by default you can see we have the header row index is 1, data row index starts from 2, and the summary row index starts from 3. So let's insert this and I'll tell you when this is important. So right now, if I'll preview this, then I'm getting the data, everything is fine. But what if you head over to the table and you insert a row above, and let's insert a row below. So this is my summary row. I didn't map anything there, so we don't see the data. And we'll insert a row below. So we've added it manually. We added the table manually. And now let's say I'll merge the cells and say custom header row. And let's merge the cells here as well, and I'll say custom footer row. Great. Now, in order for this to work, if I'll try and preview it now, then it's not going to really run. The reason for this is because we changed the table properties. So we have to tell Form Titan our new properties for the table. So I'm going to right click on this guy and Form Titan and do insert edit table. And what we will do is our row index has changed now. So we're going to go and set the correct row index values for Form Titan. So now our row index is number 2 since we added a custom row on top. Our data row is pushed to 3. And our summary row is pushed to 4. Let's put in some summary text so we can see it, and we'll hit save, and let's preview this now. And here we go. We have the custom header row, and we have the custom header row again since it broke, and here we get the custom footer row for the rest of the for the finishing of the table. So now what this enables you to do is to add as many rows as you like, custom, into your Form Titan Salesforce table. And this is how it's done.